See, there were a lot of organizations in Goa who had requested me to take up various issues. One of that was the ecological damage which is being done in Goa in the name of development, whether it is national highways or some flyovers or some other thing. Everything is being built for commission. कमिशनाक लागून कोणाचो डेव्हलपमेंट न्ही, हो डेव्हलपमेंट स्वताचो मिनिस्टरांचो आनी MLAंचो हांगा चल्ला पळय तो स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो सरकार आसा पळय तो. सो आय टूक अप द मॅटर. आय इवन मेट मिस्टर नितीन गडकरी अगेन लास्ट वीक, had a talk with him. He told me also, you can come and meet me separately also, we'll discuss. Now, simple thing is about Boma. I will keep raising. I will try my best to save the temples. Now, what is happening? आमी आनी तो लोक सांगता की Boma National Highway मातसो डायवर्ट करा आनी ते bypass which was shown in the regional plan. This is not a new demand. Who made the regional plan? Architects, TCP, all of them made that particular plan. Oh, Congressan हाडलेलो, हय Congressan हाडलेलो to save the temples. Now, why are you hell-bent in doing this flyover? First they said it will go through and through. Then I made a long letter explaining the importance of each temple, importance of the ponds. You cannot separate the temples. मदल्यान रस्तो करूंक जायना, टेम्पलां मोडूंक जायना. दीज आर 400-450 years old. तुमी कालचे परचे म्हणटा आमी शिकल्या आनी तुमी त्या टेम्पलांचेर हात घालतात. कपरेश्वर देवाचें तशेंच केलें तुमी पर्वणी. जेन्ना आमी रेस केलो तुमी परते थंयच मारलें. कित्याक तें मोडपाक जाशिल्लें? तें बी रातयां चरयां. आतां सेम थिंग यू आर डुईंग फॉर बोमा. नाव यू आर सेइंग यू वील सेव, वी वील डू अ फ्लायओवर. म्हणजे आमी देवा वयल्यान वेतले, देवाक सकयल घालतले. वॉट इज दीस फिलॉसॉफी? आवर कंट्री is a spiritually oriented country. We believe different religions, secular country, respecting each other. हांगा तुमीच सांगता BJP हिंदुत्व आणि टेम्पलाचेर तुम्ही हात घालता. Again I have raised this matter for a bypass. Avoid this particular flyover. वयल्यान करिनाका. गुजराताक फ्लायओवर पडलो, बिहाराक फ्लायओवर पडलो, महाराष्ट्राक फ्लायओवर पडलो, ब्रिज कलेप्स जाता. गॉड फॉरबिड फाल्यां तो पडलो आनी आमच्या देवळाचेर पडलो जाल्यार हू इज टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? हें तरी चिंतून मातशें सायडीच्यान करा.